Habaikiran bikinong patay kubor uba Presiden Tunsong ulong bula dap betha u Director General ki Pulet bade ketenat Pulet bakin don ki madan bat man peti kena bakum kini kijingja kemde syok banja nang ne syakmat bakin omailat yono ru bakin syimek an halaki jong ki kiti halur kejing keli balaki ni kejing kawang petrol bom gide ki bedon bentai bak kejing syakem kinong ilam kakasi Students Union Uba Presiden Tunsong ulong bo kwa ban penyeso ikini kejing kawang petrol bom bagi dei ki bayesno bak kejing syakem gide hot kaki SU Uba Presiden Tunsong ulong bo ong bagi ni ki brio ke belah syara ne ke belah syakem kide na keseng ki SU ne ki wei pat ki kenhon jang ki brio Henry ai bakaan kan le ke bedon kam bat nget bak kejing kawang petrol bom kadai tang namar ba syakem kide hot kaki SU Uba Presiden Tunsong ulo kentui kinong song snong bakin long ke bajai-jai bat ke sarkar rengkat bat ki pulet kilat raya la kakam ban penti kena bagi pat ba ken let syayau syahat bat banyak ki surok da ke jing sngam
कल 11:40 हो गया था तो दो आदमी आया था बाइक से तो दो आदमी वहाँ से आके बाइक से एक आदमी पेट्रोल बम फेंक के चला गया यहाँ पर
तो आपने क्या किया
वो फेंकने के साथ साथ मैं भी यहाँ पर हम लोग 2 जन था ना तो एक वहाँ पर बैठा था तो हम भी यहाँ पर बैठा था घर पे तो आवाज़ सुनने के बाद यहाँ आ गया आवाज़ सुनने के बाद यहाँ आके देखा तो वो पेट्रोल बम फेंक चुका था तो हम यहाँ से कोशिश किया था मगर सबसे पहले तो आग बुझाना है बोल के आग बुझाने चला गया बस ज़्यादा नहीं लगा हुआ था क्योंकि उस पर वो फेंकने के साथ साथ वो फैला नहीं था ना एक्चुअली वो सिर्फ वो कांच पे लग के ड्रॉप हो गया तो वो नीचे गिर गया वो आग नीचे लग गया बस
गाड़ी उड़ी का नंबर नहीं देखे हैं
गाड़ी नंबर तो कुछ वो नहीं दिखा दिया क्योंकि वो सब बाहर था ना ये बाहर से फेंक के गया
कितना लोग आए थे
वो 2 जन था
2 जन बाइक में आए थे
हाँ
अच्छा आपका नाम
मेरा नाम किशन की संगमा
Be cool and calm. I think if you say law and order is totally broken down, it's not like that. There are incidents like that where the petrol bomb, happen. Maybe in 4, 5 or 6 or 7 and 8 places. That happened, but at the same time, let me tell you, from the police side, from the home, we are on the job and will make sure that people are fully safe and secure. We will not allow anybody to take the law on their own hands. Law will prevail, and I have already instructed very, very clearly to the DGP and also the SPs and all to make sure that this kind of things should not again. And we have asked all the department concerned, all the police office, the government offices to be cautious and also to make sure that when they park their vehicle or whatever, it should be in a proper place. See, the investigation is on. As I said to you, it is not only with the police alone. Judiciary also is there. So you see, as I said to you, the procedure is there. So therefore, whatever the law takes, I think let us leave it to the number one, to the judiciary, and also from our side also, whatever conclusion we will submit ultimately all the issues to the judiciary.
Will you increase the security around the city, sir?
Yeah, that too for sure. We will do it. We'll make sure that our people are very safe. The public are safe. They can go to the market. They can walk in the street safely. There is no harm.
Is there any requirement for additional force to maintain?
No, right now we are examining. But as I said to you, we will not sleep. We will make sure that the law is in order. DGP to be on the ground and then to make sure that these things does not happen in the future. See, let me tell you one thing. I don't say whether KSU or not KSU members. When we arrest any person, you need to understand one thing. We strictly follow from all angles, where, how, and why. Then ultimately investigation starts taking place, and thereafter again it will go to the court and let the court ultimately decide things. So my point here is very clear. I don't say whether those people whom we already pick up, whom we already arrested, belongs from KSU or from other group of people. But let the law takes its own course. Okay. Number two, still I don't believe that, you know, the petrol bomb happens because of the arrest of the members of so-called KSU. I am very sure they are also very measured people. I don't think that, you know, happens, because right now we will not allow from our side. Let the law prevails, and we will not allow these things to happen, and therefore we will make sure that the law and order is, whatever you say, is safe and it is does not break down.